Braided baldie flower braid tutorial. If you want to make the braided baldie hairstyle but you are not confident you can achieve it, you can start off with this style, which is like half braided baldie then half cornrow hairstyle. Once you nail this, then making the design on the whole head is going to be easy. So I start off by choosing a point close to her ear and making 6 lines to give me 5 sections, no, 6 sections. So just try to make sure they are equal, and when I am done, I started making a curve around each of those angles. Very easy. So yeah, next I am going to split each of these sections into 2 and braid that section, but I am going to go from one section into the section opposite of it. So you can see I started off with this one, and when I braid down and around, I am going to go into the petal that is opposite it. So just keep doing that until you are done. The most confusing part for many people is what to do with the end of the braid after making your braided baldie design, how to transition into the next one, and what to do with the hairs in between. This is going to solve that problem because you can just braid whatever remnant of hair you have down into the back section and just let it rest. Very easy. So it's going to solve that problem. But while making this front design, you're going to start getting a hang of it, and next time you'll be able to braid the flower all through the hair, or whatever design you choose, you're going to get the hang of it. So you can start off here, and this is still really cute. So I made 3 flowers in the front and braided the back down like normal cornrows. You're going to see it at the end of the video, and it is really beautiful. So enjoy. Leave a thumbs up if you like this. You can leave your questions and I will attend to every single one of them. Thanks.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on